Good morning traders, and welcome to another live Forex video training update. In this morning's video we're going to be looking at the British pound US dollar, starting off on the weekly time frame. So I've had some good momentum on this one here, bouncing off the area of support which takes us back to October 2020, and price now moving up quite nicely to the upside to challenge the recent highs here, 136. And the objective of today's trading idea is to take a long at the market and look to run prices up through the weekly highs and to run up to the area around about 140. So let's just mark up the trade and detail the position which we're going to put on today. So I'd like to go in at the market price, and I'd like to put the stop underneath the recent lows here. We're going for around about a 141 trade, so these are the recent lows of 4 or 5 weeks ago now, and I'd like to put the target up here, not as high as 140 but just underneath here. So we're going to just tag the towards the upper end of these candles here, but before we get into that push to the ultimate highs. And as regards the target, I think we could quite easily spike up. Past this first and or second high here, which gives us an intermediate target at least, and perhaps on a further trade we can go to the highs up here at 142. So that was the trading idea for today. Hope you enjoyed that. British pound US dollar weekly time frame, going in on the market, stop underneath recent lows, and the target on the recent highs back here in June 2021. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for listening, and look forward to speaking to you on my next live Forex video training update.